Welcome back to my channel Tech Getter Official. In today's video, we will see how you can delete all cache files in Windows 10 or Windows 11 to speed up your device and free up storage space. First, we will start with a basic method. Right-click on the Windows icon and click on Run. Type temp and click on OK. Now a folder will open. Press Ctrl+A to select all the files. Then press Shift+Delete to permanently delete them. If you see any permission pop up, check the box and click on Continue. If some files are in use, just skip them. Now close this window. Again, right-click on the Windows icon and click on Run. This time type %temp% and click on OK. Again press Ctrl+A to select all files. Then press Shift+Delete to delete everything. Click on Continue if prompted, and skip the files that cannot be deleted. You will notice that a good amount of storage is already being cleared. Now one more time, right-click on the Windows icon and click on Run. This time type Prefetch and click on OK. Again press Ctrl+A, then press Shift+Delete to remove all files from here. Now we will delete old Windows Update files. Open File Explorer and go to Local Disk C. Open the Windows folder. Scroll down and find the Software Distribution folder, then open it. Now open the Download folder. These are old Windows Update files that are no longer needed. Press Ctrl+A to select all files, then press Shift+Delete to permanently delete them. Click on Continue if required. Now, still in File Explorer, click on the three dots at the top and select Options. Under the Privacy section, make sure options like Show Recently Used Files and Show Frequently Used Folders are enabled if needed. Then click on Clear to remove File Explorer history. Click OK and close it. Next, click on the Windows search bar and type Disk Cleanup, then open it. Select the drive you want to clean, for example C drive, and click OK. It will start scanning for unnecessary files. After the scan is complete, you will see a list of files that can be deleted. Here you can select options like Windows Update Cleanup, Temporary Files, DirectX Shader Cache, Recycle Bin, and other system cache files. You can select almost all options to free up maximum space. Once selected, click on OK, then click on Delete Files. Now Windows will start cleaning up all the selected cache and junk files. This process may take a few minutes, but once it's done, you will notice improved performance and more free storage space on your system. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Tech Getter Official.